So guys, in this particular of LinkedIn marketing course, I'm going to teach you how to hire employees from LinkedIn. Yes guys, LinkedIn has a feature by which or by using that feature you can directly hire the high quality or the best employee in the industry, right? And LinkedIn offer provides you a free trial which you can use in order to find out that whether this feature is useful or not. Because let's say if you are a company who needs to hire employees on a regular basis, then you might be working with a hiring agency, right? And they will charge you thousands of dollars, but instead of going for a hiring agency, you can spend a little amount of money on LinkedIn marketing platform, not LinkedIn marketing platform, LinkedIn platform, and you can hire the high quality or the top most employees from the industry, right? So let me directly jump into the LinkedIn platform and show you how to hire employee from LinkedIn. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my LinkedIn profile, and here you need to go to this menu icon, and here you'll be able to see at the end of this menu, you'll be able to see post a job option. Or if you click on this for business, again here you will be able to see post a job for free. So let me directly click here, and once I click here, you'll be able to see a small window where you can add the basically the requirement what you want. Let's say you want a social media manager, so you can add it here, social media manager. Then here you can add the company name. So in our case it will be marketing fundas, right? Then you can set the workplace type, that what is the workplace type, on-site, hybrid or remote. In our case it is on-site. You can set the location as well, so it is New Delhi, India, right? So this is the location, and the job type is full time. If you are into something different like part time, contract, temporary, other, or any other thing, you can select those as well. Once you fill in all the important requirement options, basically like your job title, company, workplace, and all, just hit the get started for free. And once you click on get started for free, here you'll get a sample job description, JD. If you want to customize it, you can totally customize it. You get the 10,000 word limit here, and it is only 412 words, right? So you can go up to 10,000 words, which will be enough to describe the job, right? And you can customize it, those job description, that job description using this few options, right? And if you scroll a little bit down here, you'll be able to see skills option, which according to LinkedIn, which are important for a not LinkedIn market, social media manager, right? But if you want to add any extra skill, you can remove these. Like let's say I want to remove Microsoft PowerPoint, and you can add extra skills here, right? Just click on the plus icon and type, right? So this is how you have to add the skills. You can go up to max 10 skills. Now once you are done with your JD and the skills, hit the next button, and here you can set that where you want to collect the information, where you want to collect those CVs if the candidates are sending you, right? So you got two options. You can send them to external website, or you can directly get into your email address. So right now we are going with email address, and the email address was already been selected, but now it's gone. So let me add again, Saurabh dot marketing, oops, marketing fundas at the rate gmail.com, right? This is the email on which I want those CVs. Now screening questions. So if you want to go without these screening questions, you can definitely go with, but the thing is LinkedIn recommends you to go with these screening questions. And what are the use of these screening questions? Basically you can filter out the candidates with the use of these screening questions. Let's say if you are not adding these screening questions in your requirement, what will people will do, that they will just hit the submit application button, and their application will be submitted. So in that case the intent of those candidates might not be the high. So in order to get high intent candidates, or in order to get high quality candidates, you need to add some screening questions related to your industry or related to the job which you are offering, right? So what you can do is, here are some sample questions like how many years of work experience do you have, with or this particular skill, social media manager, right? So you can add the skill here, you can add the ideal answer, and what you can do is you can add the must have question as well, which means the candidate must have this minimum requirement, right? As you can see here. So what you can do is, let's say I want to add a skill on not Microsoft Office. Let's see what we do have related to social media. Okay, let's see Facebook ads, right? So this is the Facebook ads, and the minimum experience should be 1 year. And if the user or the applicant has less than 1 year, then they will disqualified, right? So this is how these screening question works. Then the second question is, how many years of work experience do you have in this particular skill, in this particular skill? And you can customize the question as well. As you can see here, these are the things on the basis of which you can design the question. Let's say add, here it is showing add screening questions. Let's say you want to do some background check, so just click on this, and here is the question, like how are you willing to undergo a background check in accordance with local law or regulation. So if you want to do a background check of the applicant, and if the applicant is ready, then you can proceed with that applicant, right? This is how you can add the questions in your thing, in your screening part, right? So once you are done with the customized questions, what you can do is you can go with one more setting, qualification setting. So if you select this, filter out and send rejections and applications who don't meet any must have qualifications. So once you turn on this setting, which means LinkedIn will filter out the applicants who are not able to meet the must have qualifications, right? So LinkedIn will just directly disqualify them and just send us the qualified leads or the qualified applicants, right? Once you are done with this, hit the continue button. Here you need to add the email address of your organization. Basically, hiring for marketingfundas.com. So you need to add that professional email over here. Let's say if I add info@marketingfundas.com. So what you have to do is you just need to send a code on that email address, and you need to paste that code over here. Once you paste that code, you will be able to opt for a 3 days trial, which you can use in order to check out whether this feature is good for you or not. Then if you like the feature or if you like the service, what you can do is you can just pay the money, and you can run your employee hunting process on a regular basis. You just need to set an amount for a daily basis, right? Like you set a daily budget on your Facebook ads or Google ads, like same as like that, right? I hope you got the point. I'm not able to proceed further because I don't have the company email handy with me. That's why. But the process is as simple as that. You just need to enter the email address. You need to add the code. Once you add the code, you can start your 3 days trial. So I hope you got the point. Now let's wrap up this video here. I hope you like the video. If you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button, and let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.